Tables let your AI agent work directly with structured data, like product catalogs, price lists, inventory, or orders. It lets your AI agent query spreadsheet data directly, returning exact matches, filtered results, and calculations based on your actual data. Ask for a specific SKU, filter across multiple columns, or request a total, and you get precise answers pulled straight from the table. You'll find tables in two places: at the property level under Automations, Data Sources, Tables, or per agent under Knowledge Then Tables. There are two ways to create a table. You can build one from scratch in a spreadsheet-style editor, defining your columns and adding rows directly. Or you can upload a file, either a CSV or a single Excel worksheet at a time. When you upload, the system reads your columns, detects the data type for each, and gives you a chance to confirm everything before it's saved. If your file has a header row, just make sure that's set correctly so your column names come through cleanly. The most important part of any table is its description. Before the AI looks at your data, it reads the table and column descriptions to decide whether the table is relevant and which fields to use. A clear table description, along with clear descriptions for each column, is what guides the AI to the right answer. When your data changes, you can refresh a table by re-importing a file. Choose Replace to overwrite everything, or Append to add new rows. For more assistance, visit the Talk.to Academy or book a call with an AI Assist specialist today.